Welcome to Mike's Man Cave. Today I'm going to show you how to make pork ribs without owning a smoker or using a barbecue. Not every person is lucky enough to have a smoker or to know how to use a smoker, or not every person's even interested in learning how to use a smoker. So if you just want to make some pork ribs at home and you don't have the smoker or the skill to use a smoker, this is a very easy way to do it. Okay, so we've got 4 racks of pork ribs here, as you can see, and I've just put some rub on those ribs. I've used the Stone Mill Texas Barbecue Grill Rub. It's one of my favourites. I really enjoy that one and I use it all the time. So basically we've put the ribs on some baking trays. I've used baking paper underneath. I prefer baking paper to aluminium foil. And we have put the Texas Grill Barbecue Rub on the ribs. Now we've got a fan forced oven here. I've set that oven to the fan force setting and to around 150 degrees Celsius. And it has just reached that temperature because the light's gone off, so I'm going to put the ribs in there right now. Okay, the ribs are now in the oven, so they're going to be in there for at least an hour and a half now at 150 degrees Celsius. And I'll see you back in about an hour and a half and we'll have a look at these ribs. Now it's been about an hour and 45 minutes, let's have a look at these ribs. Geez, they look really good. There you go. Now it's time to put the barbecue sauce on. There's our ribs. There's my barbecue brush. And this is the sauce that we'll be using today. Stubbs Original. Okay, now that we have put our sauce on, these ribs are going back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes and then they'll be ready to eat. Let's get some ribs out and see if they're ready. There you go. There you go, job done. Beautiful ribs, ready to eat. And not a smoker or barbecue in sight. All done in the oven in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Mike's Man Cave for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.